Everybody knows this problem. From cooking with garlic and onions you get smelly fingers. That is very annoying and can be long-lasting. But with this very useful trick you can get rid of the smell in a few seconds. You just have to touch and rub stainless steel. In many kitchens the sink is made out of this steel. The smell will be gone immediately. This trick works with all products made out of this material. This makes garlic and onions lose their power of smell.
Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day, everyone.